Quinacridone Violet. And that color, these colors, I'm going to take them from the tube, but this one I'm going to mix with these three colors. And it is Quinacridone Violet. And I'm going to mix with a little bit of Dioxazine Purple. There. Dioxazine Purple. Then we're going to put a tiny bit of the Quinacridone Gold Hue. And a tiny bit of the Burnt Umber. I'm looking for a dark burgundy color. Beautiful. That's the color that I want. Dioxazine Purple, Quinacridone Magenta, Primary Magenta, Cadmium Red Hue, Vermilion Hue, and Cadmium Yellow Hue. Here are the wonderful colors that we have for today. And remember, this was a mix. The other ones are straight from the tube. And we're going to put the lubricant, which is Treadmill Belt Lubricant. It's an oil, it's silicone. And you can find the links and the description for all the products, including the name for the paints, on the description for the video. Just click where it says show more. So I'm going to put 3. And I'm not going to put this time anything on the white. Okay, so we're going to start with white. Okay. Another beautiful surface. It's also a basket and it's metal. It is metal. It's a metal basket and it has the lid. And I'm gonna put a link to a place where you can find beautiful surface like this one. So I'm gonna use leftover paints, and I'm using the same cup, a dirty cup. When you put colors in a cup like this is called a dirty pour. I'm gonna start with the purple. I'm gonna do from dark to light. Okay, so I am just showing you all this type of surface so that you can be creative in your house and use different type of surfaces. You don't have to use the same surfaces that I am using. If you prefer using a canvas, that's fine. Just get your canvas and use a canvas. Let's bring the torch. Pink here, a pink heart, but it happened to be so. It was meant to be be pink, more into the pink family. So I am not going to let it go until the edge, and it went, and I didn't want to, because I don't want it to lose everything that I have in there. So I am trying to move it without losing what I have. Still have to move it this way. I've seen lots of artists do this, putting it in there like that, so. We learn from each other. And they do it so they don't have to tilt this much. Just want that yellow to come closer to the surface without losing the remainder, which I am losing. I have seen people do that too. Breaking my rules today and following others. Okay, I think it's pretty the way it is. I want to show you what I have. I hope I was on camera. I hope so. Let's put it inside the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna rest it in here. So here it is. I think it's pretty. The torch also helps to warm dry a little bit the paint, and it stops dripping. Anyway, somebody asked me why did I think this effect of lacing is caused, and I think it's the reaction of the white, and it's always in the section where you have put the white, because I put the white there with the purple, and when you tilt it and start moving it, you are spreading that white, and it's reacting with the purple that is trying to go. The white is going down and the purple is coming up, and that's what is happening. That purple is transparent and the white is opaque. So that is why I think the lacing. I have also some lacing in here. I hope you can see it. It is a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous piece. Different colors. I love colors, so for me it can be any color and it's gonna be pretty. There's an area with no cells, but that's fine, and there's an area with cells where it's struggling to come up. I can pinch it and remove that, but I'm gonna leave it alone. I don't know if you can see it, this section in here with that gray. I don't care, I'm gonna leave it like that. Let it be. So thank you for joining me. Please come back for more and watch my other videos. So this is the dry piece for this video. It is a metal hard box. I hope you like it. Come back for more.